Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So normally every week I show y'all clips of me thrifting, and then we take those items and I show you how to beautifully make them over and style them in your home. But this week I decided to take y'all on a full thrifting adventure. So we are headed into our favorite place to shop. Y'all know it's y'all favorite place too. We're going into the Goodwill Bins to see what we can find. So let's go shopping. And I want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. All right, let's see what they got. They've had lots and lots of toys lately over here, and that looks like the case. So if you're looking for toys for Christmas, the Bins is a great place to come check out. Normally on Saturdays we do jam and donuts, but today I'm switching it up. I don't have Ren with me. This is cute. So I'm doing Bins, then jam, and then we will see about the donuts. Ooh, this one's like a pretty copper brassy color. Grab those. This is a cloche. Is it a cloche? Oh no, it's like a large teacup. I don't know, I'm gonna put that in my cart and think about it. Ooh, these are some really nice Pyrex measuring cups, and all of the writing is still there. Nice glass ones. I think I'm gonna get both of these for my house. See, this one is missing the writing on it. Right, these are good. Ooh, what are these cute little bowls? Pioneer Woman. These are adorable. I'm gonna have to see what they resell for because I don't want them, but somebody else definitely needs these. Here's a bin of glass. Oh wow, look at this ball jar. Add that to the cart. Okay, I just walked in and I've gotten some really good stuff. I don't normally come to the Bins on Saturday, but I don't know, I might have to start. All right, let me unpack some of these and see if there's anything good in the hair. This one's super heavy. There's no markings on her. She's in pretty good condition. I think I'll leave her here, but I'll put her at the top so she doesn't get broken. I just uncovered another ball jar. This one is even bigger. Actually, oh my gosh, I can barely even pick it up. It doesn't have the logo on it, so it might not be a ball jar, but it is beautiful and it is going in the cart. Here's some bins of books, and these actually look older. Field Guide to Birds. Ooh, is there some pretty bird pictures? Oh yes, look at that. These would be really pretty framed. Shorebirds, like in a beach house. Yes, definitely getting that. This one's a good color. Look, these go great together. What else we got? All right, I'm gonna get these two right here. And then there's some more books in these bins. Those are movies. Ooh, that's pretty Christmas colors. I like this one. Oh, look, there's more. Quite a few bins of books. Normally they're not older books. They're usually newer books. This is paper, but I really like this book. That'd be great to make a little brown stack. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. And what we got over here. Oh, here's a green one. Star Cookbook. This one's heavy, but it is pretty Christmas colors. All right, add these two to the cart. And here's some ticking fabric, ticking stripe fabric. This is pretty. I'm gonna grab that. All right, I think we are at kitchen stuff. I don't know, this one has some kind of liquid in here. I don't know if y'all can see that, so I don't think I'm going to touch anything in there. Looks like some more fabric. And what is this? A little puppy planner. That's cute. I'm not interested in it, but I'm gonna put it up here. Here's some nice terracotta pots. Oh, look at this Santa. Oh, it's broken. It's a little music player. So I look, oh, is this a swirl teapot? Oh no, it's broken. Do I need it anyway? I think I'm gonna leave it here. This is precious. Okay, so I looked through all this. Now we're gonna go look through the other side. Here's a bin full of lots of different items. I feel like a lot of people would like this, but it's not really my style, so I think I'm gonna leave it here. Look at this. Tartlet tins, and it comes with a recipe, and it's still in the box. Look at that. Might be some more vintage books in here. Look at this one. It is green and red, but it's very heavy. That would be very pretty on a book stack, though. I think I'm gonna get that. Oh, some apothecary jars. I don't know if that could be cleaned. It doesn't have a lid. Okay, where's the base for this huge one? Look! Cute little precious copper teapot. That's going in the cart. Alright, today is turning out to be a really great day at the bins. And I haven't even scratched the surface of the bins over here. Here's a white enamel. Oh, it's cute. I think I'm gonna put this in the cart and think about it. Alright, what else we got here? And it's not that busy, so I guess I bring out digging with me. Sometimes when it's really busy and there's just people everywhere, I can't film a lot. All right, I think that's it, and this bin is full of clothing. All right, let's dig through this side. If you do not know what Squarespace is, it is an online hosting platform, and that is who I chose to host my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. Squarespace makes it so easy to create a website without any web design experience with their design intelligence program. They help you create a beautiful website with AI technology, as well as help you create beautiful and professional listings. And with Squarespace payments, they are making it easier than ever to accept all your payments in one place. There's so many different options for your customers to pay. And if you're a business, you know you need as many options for your customers as possible. So if you think you're ready to take your business to the next level, make sure you head to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And when you are ready to launch your website, go to squarespace.com/juliesdesignsandsigns to save 10% off your first purchase of your website or domain. We got CDs, we got records. I'm not seeing anything good up at the top. Ooh, look at this glass pig. This side is broken, but it looks good from the front and it looks good from this side, so I think I'm going to get this anyway. And when I came for the pig, I spotted this bin. These are so cute. They don't have little hangers though. Are they supposed to be like that? These ornaments are precious. I think somebody cut off all the hangers. There's a whole bunch of them. I think I gotta get those. They're really pretty. Okay, I see there's a little metal piece right there. Does this one have a little metal piece? Oh yeah, right there. So you could add your own string. What's up with this guy? Paper mache ornaments. Those are cute. Here's another one. All right, I'm gonna get the pig and I'm getting these for sure. And I think I'll grab these paper mache ornaments as well. I spy some swirl. Oh, look. Little swirl teapot. Yes, you are going in the cart. And look at this. Beautiful swirl vase. This is gorgeous. I need this for my house. All right, here's a bin of baskets. Y'all, look how cute this one is with a little pedestal. Definitely getting that one. This one's kind of dirty on the inside, so I think I'm gonna leave that. Oh, cute little heart one. I like that it has some dust, but that'll be easy to clean up. All right, we're gonna get those two. Look, a little Christmas tree stand. I need this because sometimes I find trees here that don't have a base, and then I could put it in there. Look at this cross-stitch piece. I don't know, it's kind of dirty. Oh, these are cute. Love, love, love that. Definitely getting those. Okay, what are these? I wonder if I could clean this up with a lint brush. It doesn't look stained, it just looks like there's dirty stuff on it and dead bugs. So I'm gonna get all three of these and hopefully I can clean them up pretty good. I really love this lemon one. What's this? Mushrooms, orange mushrooms. Not interested in that. And somebody's painting. All right, we're just gonna get these three. It looks like they have a good bit of furniture here today, but I haven't seen, you know, good furniture. Not anything that I would be interested in. They have these chairs, but I don't know, these little plant things remind me of a certain plant. Oh no, why is there caution tape? I wonder what's going on in this. Oh my gosh, y'all. Wouldn't that be the best thing ever if they were taking this and doing another wall on this side? That would be so awesome. Look at these cute leather boots I just found in Ren size. They actually are real leather, so I'm gonna get my husband to polish these up for her. Leather and suede, adorable. Well, this ended up being an amazing day at the Goodwill Bins. Look at this cart full of stuff that I got. Well, y'all must be my lucky charms because normally I do not go to the Goodwill Bins on the weekends, and I cannot remember the last time I had such a good thrifting day at the Goodwill Bins. So that was amazing. And if you're wondering how it works, so nothing is priced. All of the clothing is paid by the pound. I think the shoes are $2.99. So like some things have a set price, and then most of the stuff that I buy is just set by the cashier. So it just depends, but honestly, everything is so cheap. I just don't even worry about it. I just go shopping and I buy what I like, and that is why we love the Goodwill Bins. And all day long they're bringing out new stuff, and you just never know what you're gonna find. So if you love this video, make sure you are following me over on my other channel, Julie Thrifts, where I'll bring you along on all of my thrifting adventures, and I will link that in the description. And what do I do with these items, in case you are wondering? Well, every week I go thrifting, and then I'll show y'all how to make them over or style them in my home. And then once a month I have the vintage drop on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com, and it is the first Wednesday of every month, and everything that I've thrifted for goes up for sale at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that is coming up this week, so set your alarms because everything sells out really quickly. And if you are interested in starting your own website, y'all make sure to go check out squarespace.com/juliesdesignsandsigns and get your 30-day free trial. And when you're ready to launch your website, use code juliesdesignsandsigns to get 10% off your first website or domain. And of course, I will have that linked in the description as well. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's thrifting adventure. Leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite item that I thrifted today. I think mine were the ball jars, just because I never find those, so I feel like that was a very rare find, especially at the Goodwill Bins. All right, now I am headed to the gym and maybe donuts. I don't know, we'll see. Leave a comment below if you think I should go get donuts after I hit the gym. So y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all next week for another video. Bye guys.